Ever wondered why weather forecasts aren't always right, or why your favorite team doesn't always win? Well, it all comes down to a fascinating field of mathematics known as probability. But what exactly is probability? In the simplest terms, it's the study of uncertainty. It's a way of quantifying how likely something is to happen. Picture this. You have a fair six-sided die. If you roll it, what's the chance of getting a 3? 1 out of 6, right? That's because there is 1 3 on the die, and 6 possible outcomes in total. This is the essence of probability. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. Probability generally falls into two categories: theoretical and experimental. Theoretical probability involves situations where we know all possible outcomes in advance, just like our die example. Experimental probability, on the other hand, is based on observed data. It's like flipping a coin 100 times and recording how many times it lands on heads. Next, we encounter the terms independent and dependent events. An independent event is when the outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of another, like flipping a coin. No matter how many times you flip it, the probability of getting heads or tails remains the same. A dependent event, however, is when the outcome of one event affects the outcome of another. Think of drawing a card from a deck and not replacing it. The odds change with each draw. The concept of mutually exclusive events also comes into play. These are events that cannot happen at the same time. Like, you can't simultaneously have heads and tails when you flip a coin. Conversely, non-mutually exclusive events can occur together. For example, when rolling a die, getting an odd number and getting a number less than 4 are not mutually exclusive. You could roll a 3, which satisfies both conditions. Probability also has a few handy rules. The addition rule states that to find the probability of either of two events happening, you add their individual probabilities. The multiplication rule, on the other hand, is used when you want to find the probability of two events happening together. To sum up, probability is a mathematical way of dealing with uncertainty. It's divided into theoretical and experimental types and deals with independent, dependent, mutually exclusive, and non-mutually exclusive events. The addition and multiplication rules are essential tools in calculating probabilities. Remember, probability isn't about predicting the future with certainty, but rather understanding the likeliness of various outcomes. It's this understanding that helps us make informed decisions in a world full of uncertainty. From weather forecasts to football games, probability is at work, subtly shaping our understanding and decisions. So the next time you roll a die or flip a coin, you'll know there's more to it than just luck. There's a whole world of probability at play.